Hi, everyone. It's Patty with the 3 things you need to know this month. You'll hear about 2 exciting workshop opportunities we're offering at the LOC Annual Conference. You'll have an opportunity to learn about applying to serve on the LOC Board of Directors, and you'll receive a reminder about submitting your Legislative Priorities Ballot. The first thing you need to know about this month involves the LOC Annual Conference. It's scheduled for October 15th through the 17th in Salem. What I want to talk to you about this month is the 2 standalone workshops we're offering with the conference. We're offering an AI workshop and an emergency management workshop. The AI workshop is going to touch on things that we don't normally talk about with AI, the implications for human resources, what it means with the public records law, what you should do to uplift your city through AI, and how to draft an AI policy that applies to both city staff and city council members. The emergency management workshop that we're putting on is going to take you from the beginning to the end, from planning to after action reports. These 2 workshops will cost an additional $150, but we think they'll be valuable for our members. And as a final reminder with the conference, if you haven't registered, please remember that early bird pricing of $550 ends on September 11th. We hope to see you in Salem this October. The second piece of information I have to share with you this month involves the LOC Board of Directors. Each year, the LOC recruits new members, and this year is no different. We're currently looking for the 2027 Vice President and Treasurer. We're also seeking applications for 4 open director positions. So, if you've ever been interested in serving on the LOC leadership team, now's your time to submit an application. The deadline is 5 p.m. on September 30th. And if you do apply, please mark your calendar for the evening of October 16th. That's when the LOC nominating committee will interview all applications. If you're interested, do get that application in by the deadline. And the final piece of information this month is not really new information. It's more of a friendly reminder that every city needs to submit their legislative priority ballot, and you need to do so by 5 p.m. on September 25th. As a reminder, every other year, the LOC puts forward a ballot of issues that might matter to your city. And it's your job as a city to identify which of those issues are the most important to you. So we have things on this year's ballot from reforming public meetings law, streamlining land use processes, securing infrastructure funding. Whatever issue is important to you, it's probably one of the options on the ballot. And if you want what your city cares about to matter to the LOC, then you need to complete and submit that ballot. We'll calculate all the results of the ballot, send them to the LOC Board of Directors, and the board will use those ballots to identify legislative priorities for 2027 and 2028. So please, before 5 p.m. on September 25th, make sure your voice is heard and submit your ballot. That's it. That's everything we have for you this month. I hope you enjoy the end of summer, and I hope to see you in Salem at our conference in October.